Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to this isn't the no bra zone. I am down here in Texas visiting my Massey boy's boyfriend for Jeremy's birthday, and they're in the house doing things, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go take a break. I'm going to go do some painting. So I'm here in the Massey Boys studio, and I am grateful for that. And I'm going to do something that I have never done before. I'm going to do, what is it? The Lazy Deborah or Susan or somebody. the mini, no, that's the spinny thing. Deborah the dustpan? I don't know, but I found this over in the corner because I don't know where everything is. And I thought I would do a dustpan pour, leaving a good amount of negative space. At least that's the plan. I've got a 12 by 16 gallery wrap canvas right here, and I've got some yummy colors. Let's talk about those colors. Right here is golden, and this is not fluids. This girl had to do a little more mixing than normal. This is golden, and that is their iridescent pearl fine. Take a look at this. Oh, geez. That's just shimmery goodness right there. And then a lot of people's favorite right there, Deco Art Americana Metallics, and that is their 24 karat gold. And I found this hidden away, Golden Artist, medium body, unless this is the heavy body, I don't know. And this is the Azo Gold. This is their kind of replacement for the nickel Azo Gold that they are no longer making, and it is it's delicious. Let's take a look at that. Very, very close, I would say. Very, very thick, I would also say. I found some Mac paint that is Arteza in their Bordeaux Red. And this is Amsterdam, their standard series, and this is their Lamp Black. And this yummy goodness right here, let's take a look at that. Oh my, be still my heart. That is Golden Acrylics medium body paint in the turquoise. Now, I couldn't find everything. I couldn't find GAC 800 or Liquitex pouring medium, so all of these paints today are mixed with straight Floetrol, American Floetrol that has been strained, and I did not have to add any water to any of them. Oh, I take that back. Squirter water right here in the iridescent pearl. So, excuse me, so it's 1 part paint to 3.5 parts pouring medium, and this little thing is as cute as can be. And this is just some leftover slop bucket paint. It's black. Yeah, there might be other things in here, but it basically is just black. So I'm excited to be here. I haven't painted in about a week, and I sure as heck am missing it. So I'm in here fiddling in the Massey Art Studio, which I'm excited about, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining me. And I'm going to put some music on, and we're going to get busy.
Cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.